Hello, I am Dr. Sharda Ghadge, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany and Plant Protection, HGM College, Karad. From paper number 1, BSc Part 1, Algae, Unit number 3, we are going to study the morphology and life cycle of nostoc. This is the systematic position of nostoc. It belongs from division Cyanophyta, that is freshwater forms, chlorophyll A present, then C phycocyanin, that is bluish colored pigment, and C phycoerythrin, that is reddish colored pigment present in the plant body. Next, division Cyanophyceae. Characteristics of this division Cyanophyceae is the forms are unicellular or multicellular and without true nucleus. Then order Nostocales, that is filaments were having heterocyst, akinets and endospore formation for the mean of the reproduction. Next, it belongs from family Nostocaceae. The characteristics is the trichomes were unbranched and presence of heterocyst, spores and akinets for the mode of the reproduction. And the genus is Nostoc, that is characteristics is the formation of the colony, that is filaments get aggregated to form a colony. This is about the systematic position of nostoc. Next, that is important features of the nostoc. First is the habit. Nostoc were found, or colonies of nostoc were found in the moist conditions, or the forms of the family or this Nostocaceae family or members of the Nostocaceae were found all over the world. Wherever there is moisture, they showed their occurrence. That is, they found in temperate, tropical as well as polar region. They found in symbiotic association with many plant groups, angiosperms, gymnosperms, as well as they form symbiotically associated with some members of lichens, or that is called as the fungi. Next, they occur in fresh water as well as they occur on a wet soil. Then they found in closed gelatinous mass, the many or thousands of filaments get embedded inside a single colony. They form macroscopic as well as microscopic colonies. That is, the size of the colony ranges from a few millimeters to few centimeters. Then the color of the colony, due to presence of the colored pigment, that is C phycocyanin and C phycoerythrin, they appear colored, that is bluish green. Mainly the colonies of nostoc appear olive green, bluish green or yellowish green in color. Then some members were endophytically observed or recorded, as well as their symbiotic association. As earlier I have told you that symbiotically they associated with corolloid roots of cycas, that is one species Nostoc punctiforme. This Nostoc punctiforme species found symbiotically associated with corolloid roots of cycas, as well as it is found symbiotically associated with Anthoceros also. Then these species, some species were in symbiotic association with the fungi, that is lichen. The species associated, that is Nostoc sphaericum. And Nostoc collemma. These are two species were symbiotically associated with the fungi forming lichen. In this way, there are 26 species of nostoc were recorded in India. Some species grow in a rice field. In my research, I have recorded about 11 species of nostoc were symbiotically associated in paddy fields of Patan and Karad Tehsil. The blue-green algal species were symbiotically associated with the paddy field. They are beneficial to the paddy. they fixes atmospheric free nitrogen and make available to the plant. Instead of this, the paddy fields provide all the necessary ecological requirement, that is availability of the water, then giving nutrients, shelter and the low temperature. These are the main requirements for the luxuriant, responsible for the luxuriant growth of these blue-green algae in paddy fields. Then there are some species, that is Nostoc ellipsosporum. Nostoc calcicola, Nostoc endophytum, Nostoc muscorum, these were found or recorded, or these are the common species found in our area, that is the Satara district. Next point is the structure of colony. Structure of colony, many or thousands of filaments get embedded in a single colony like this. This is a colony or Nostoc ball. Many or thousands of the filaments get aggregated in a single colony, giving a spherical shape. So this is called as a Nostoc ball. Each of these filaments having their own gelatinous mass, and they get aggregated, come close towards each other, giving the appearance of the colony. These are the thousands of filaments aggregated in a single colony having their own gelatinous mass. In some types what happens, many small colony, they grow lie side by side and giving a lump of the colony that measures many millimeters, many centimeters in diameter. Next is the structure of trichome. This is the structure of trichome. Many monoliform cells, means they are arranged one above the other, they are having particular shape, except some cells. Some are the larger cells, these are called as heterocysts. These are the normal vegetative cells. And this is the structure of trichome, which is having its own gelatinous mass. Like this. This is the gelatinous mass. And this is the heterocyst having polar region like this. It is the specialized cell which is called as heterocyst and embedded in its own gelatinous mass. This is the structure of trichome. Next, cell structure. Actually, this heterocyst is like this. This is the polar region. This is the heterocyst, which is the larger cell in the trichome. This is trichome. And this is the structure of heterocyst. Cell structure or vegetative cell is like this. It is again having its own mass or gelatinous mass, having central mass which is called as a centroplasm. This is centroplasm, and the protoplasm is divided into chromoplasm. These are having cyanophyceal granules. As well as some protein granules and starch is also present in this cell. This is the vegetative cell. This is about the cell structure. Then this cytoplasm contain nuclear envelope or this cytoplasm contain nuclear material without nuclear envelope, so that the cells resemble with the prokaryotic cellular structure or cellular organization. This is about the cell structure. Now next point is the reproduction in nostoc. As sexual reproduction is totally absent in this nostoc, the mean of the reproduction is mainly asexual type. Reproduction is of asexual type. First asexual type reproduction is the formation of fragmentation. Some of the vegetative cells, by physiological, mechanical or certain accidental factors, these filaments get broken and they break into a smaller pieces, and each piece develop into a trichome at favorable condition. This is the simple mean of reproduction, that is by fragmentation. Another mean of reproduction is by formation of hormogonia. In this hormogonia formation, what happens? This cell which is having heterocyst, it gives rise to such filamentous structure in the close mass, like this. And at favorable condition, what happens? This wall get broken down and these filaments get out of this colony or this gelatinous mass, and they develop into a new, or they form a new trichome. But they form the trichome in the parent colony only. So the mass of the parent colony becomes larger and larger. This is the mean of formation or reproduction by formation of the hormogonia. Next mean of reproduction is by akineate formation. This is the third mean, by formation of akineates. In akineate formation, these are the vegetative cells, while some cells near to the heterocyst, they secrete such wall. These are the resting spores. They are having reserve of food material, and they are next to this heterocyst. Some of the vegetative cells of the trichome also help in formation of this akineate. These are called as the resting spores. They are three layered, or they having the three layered coat around themselves, and these akineate withstand a prolonged dry period or a prolonged cold period, and whenever there is favorable condition, they germinate to give rise to new filament, and this new filament gives rise to new colony. This is mean of reproduction, that is by akineate formation. Next is by heterocyst. This is the fourth mean. In this what happens? This is the heterocyst which is having polar region. It undergoes a division. It gives a bicelled structure like this. Then this bicelled structure again divide by giving a transition slip, and it gives rise to four-celled structure like this, and the outer wall of the heterocyst get broken. This is two-celled condition and this is the four-celled condition. It is also called as germline. This get out from this ruptured wall of the heterocyst and it forms a new filament. This again gives rise to new colony, that is germination of the heterocyst. This is another mean of reproduction. Next mean of reproduction is by formation of endospore. That is the fifth mean. As this heterocyst and apannate formation are the resting spores, but the formation of endospore, these are not the resting spores. The protoplasm get germinated to give rise to a new filament. Some of these cells besides the heterocyst, they divide and redivide to give rise to new filament. They germinate under favorable condition by disintegrating the wall of the heterocyst and give rise to new filament, and this new filament gives rise to new colony or new nostoc ball. These are some of the means of the reproduction. This is the systematic position and this is the reproduction. That is, first is by formation of fragmentation. The filaments fragmented mechanically by physiological mean or by any mean, they get fragmented into small pieces and germinate. Next mean is by formation of harmogonia. Third mean is by formation of akinete, that is resting spores. Next mean is again by formation of resting spore, that is formation of heterocyst. Heterocyst gives rise or germinate to give rise to two-celled condition. This two-celled condition again divide to give rise to four-celled germline, which again develop into a new trichome, and new trichome develop into new colony or new nostoc ball. And last mean is by formation of non-resting spore, that is endospore formation. This is about the reproduction in nostoc. Thank you.